Hello everyone! Did you know that 90% of traders lose their money? Most people think it's because they don't have the right strategy to trade. But the reality is that strategy isn't actually the main problem. But the biggest problem actually is that they don't learn from their own mistakes. People believe most of the time that trading or success in trading comes from finding the best indicator, finding the best strategy, finding the best mentor. But the reality is that every profitable trader loses money. So losing in trading is a necessity. You cannot be successful every time. But losing actually isn't the main problem. Repeating the same mistakes is the main problem. So here comes the main question. Why 90% of those traders lose actually their money? Do they repeat the same mistakes? So now I'm going to give you a bunch of common mistakes that every trader does. First of all, trading without a clear plan. When you trade without a clear plan, a point that you have to respect while trading, you start trading with emotions. You start basing your trading on emotions and feelings instead of logic and real data. And without answering honestly those questions, you cannot improve as a trader. You will repeat your own mistakes trade after trade after trade and day after day. And now, based on all those information, we can clearly mention that every trader needs to journal his performance in order to improve and in order to correct his own mistakes. But the main question, how can this trader correct his own mistakes and develop his performance? So here comes the time to introduce the Edge Journal as the solution of this problem. The Edge Journal as the clear solution of this problem. The Edge Journal can obviously help you grow as a trader with his organized dashboard showing you all your trades, all your strategies, all the markets that you trade, all the sessions you need to focus on, statistics of your performances, the best session, the best setup, and more tools to make you more successful, more comfortable with your trading. It actually shows you the best risk reward to focus on based on all your trades, okay? Your profit factor and a lot of tools. Also, the Edge Journal has an improvement section that focuses on every trader on his own. So instead of guessing why you're losing, the platform shows you clearly what do you need to improve. An AI coach that can respond to every question you have, that can clearly correct your mistakes based on your own trading data. So instead of asking yourself, what strategy should I use? You can ask, what mistake do I repeat the most? The Edge Journal has a psychology section that focuses on developing your emotions, your confidence, your decisions taken, and a lot of psychology, because it is a fact that trading is 90% psychological. So to sum up all those information, we can say that losing is a part of trading. You cannot avoid losing in trading, but the reality is that you can make from your own mistakes a power to develop and to improve. How can you do that? By journaling your own mistakes, by clearly seeing yourself in a mirror and be honest to yourself and to your own mistakes. So if you don't record those mistakes and those faults, you cannot improve. You will always make the same mistakes. So here comes the power of the Edge Journal as a platform that will help you grow and help you be more successful in your trading by tracking your own performance, by tracking your own mistakes, helping you correct them using AI coaches and the real persons to help you grow as a trader. So don't miss this big opportunity and start tracking your performances and improve yourself by using the Edge Journal.